Good evening, my name is James Spyro and this is Calcalist's Tech on the Beach. I'm joined now with Boaz Shedletsky, Managing Partner at Mensch Capital Partners.
Hey James, thanks for having me.
Thank you so much for taking the time. I want to know a bit about Mensch Capital Partners. I love the name.
Thank you.
Tell me a bit about it and what you folks invest in and some of the interesting investments maybe you've made so far.
Sure. So I'm an operator. I was a founder of a IoT security company called Sternum. This is my last gig. I left the company in 21. I started Mensch Capital Partners. It's a first check early stage fund. We invest in strong founders, both pre-seed and seed. Always first checks. And what we like to do is basically be part, pretty much the foundation of the company, helping the founders with hiring, business development, validating the needs, and so forth. I'm solo GP backed by institutional LPs, and we invest across the board. We have strong presence in fintech, infrastructure, Web3, generative AI investments recently, cloud infrastructure, some investments that basically went public is addressable in the Web3 space, doing like marketing analytics for Web3, Nylos Web3 payments play, but we are very, very generous.
Okay, that's great, thank you. So you said you were very, very early, you write some of the first checks. What is it that you look for, except for team? Because everyone says team. So you have to give me another answer. What do you look for when you're writing those checks?
What works for us very well is that to identify founders that basically have edge capabilities, either on the market, technical capabilities, or like team that have been working together for a while, and they really want to solve big, hairy problem. And once this intersection appears, we can invest even pre-idea and basically help them validate the need and the vector that they are going after.
So you mentioned a few of the trends just now, generative AI and Web3. So I do want to kind of touch on those. What are you looking at in the future? What do you see some of the trends going?
We are not basically following trends or hype cycles. We focus on very strong founding teams. It came out that we invested in strong fintech companies, cloud infrastructure we did. We have a nice position around Web3. All of them are infrastructure, either payment, marketing tools. Recently we invested in generative AI, some infrastructure play. The common thing about all of them is strong and like differentiated team going after big markets. We understand that at the stage that we invest, it's so early that they are going to pivot at least a couple of times,
right.
And we are very comfortable about it. But again, we are general, we are early stage, strong founding.
It sounds super exciting, and it sounds like a really exciting time to be doing the things that you're doing, and I can't wait.
Very passionate about what we do.
I can't wait to see how it all goes. It's going to sound great. Thank you so much.
Thank you, James. Thanks for having me.